made our way over from Walibi, Holland. We're at Avonturenpark Hellendoorn that is celebrating 90 years. Didn't know that. And look at that. Yeah, it looks very closed. I hope they let us in. We have to talk to someone if not. Anyways, look at that ride up there. That's an art engineering ride, just as the one opening at Liseberg, but the one out there. Go talk to them. Wait. So anyway, it's an art engineering ride, but the small one. Yes, it's someone there. Let's see. So we get in. So that was a little bit weird. We walked through the store or the shop to get inside. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We're inside. Look at this play areas right away. Okie dokie. We just had something to eat here.
Yes.
And some apple juice. And now we're gonna do the first coaster of this park. We have 4 coasters and a dark ride apparently, as we said before, and it's not here.
It's not here.
We have to go this way. Anyways, that's what we have. And we're gonna do those in 1.5 hours. And that's when the park is closing. This is going to be fun. And a little monorail up there. That's very cute.
So cute here.
Super cute with all the small rides. And I think the monorail starts down there, it goes up and around. And here's a bigger coaster over there, look.
Wow, there it is.
Ah, there, look. Cool. So here we have Balagos. It's this ride here. Oh, they have new trains on that one, cool. I think we start down here. Yes, Riddersfrid. Look.
So nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. There's some queue for that one, look. Let's hope we can do these 4 rides. We will see if we can film on rides. We haven't found any information, so we'll take on the gear and we hope that we can do it. And I have a nice, there's some music, I like it. Okie dokie, Riddersfrid at Avonturenpark Hellendoorn. So this ride was formerly in Italy, we just found out. It's a reversion, it was rebuilt and relocated here. That's why the queue line was so nice, because it opened in end of March 2024, I think it was.
Very good.
Sorry?
New and fresh.
Yes, newly fresh paint. Very silent. I see some other rides. I see Donderstenen. Okay, hold on to your panties. Here we go. Both of us, we don't really appreciate spinning rides, except from Ride to Happiness. So we'll see how this is. So this can go however, you know, right? I'm gonna hold on here, guys. Oi! That was a turn. Okay, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! We're not spinning. I like that. No, we are spinning! Why did I say anything? Oh no! Oh. Oh my god, this is a fun ride though, don't get me wrong. Don't get the sound wrong. Oh no! No, this is crazy. Oh, the ride operator, she laughed at us. Oh my god. Oh, okay, here we go, last drop. Way backwards. Oh my god.
Oh, that was rough.
Oh, that was a lot of fun though.
It was fun.
Yeah, we're coming in backwards. I like it. Yes. This is how you ride it. Now they're gonna have to stop the coaster now because you did it backwards.
Yes.
Sasse, we're supposed to come in forward.
Oh.
Yeah, so the next one's have to start backwards. Whee! Oh, that was great. That was a lot of fun. Okay, that was Rioolrat. As you heard from us, we had a lot of fun. Anyways, let's do the next one. Let's do Balagos. Let's see if we can get a front ride on this. That would be great. So you can see this ride actually. The trains, as you said, sound very silent. So this is Balagos here at Hellendoorn. This ride got a new train in 2021. Apparently, that was too heavy. So it's made by Sunkid, so they had to make a new one. So this is actually brand new from 2025, and you can see it. It looks very, very nice. And apparently also in 2021 it was re-themed because it didn't have a theming. So it got themed into a dragon. So that's why we are riding a dragon. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Very interested about this train, how it runs, performs. And flume, right? Okie dokie. Here we go. Woohoo! That was power! But it's very smooth, I have to say. I mean, for that layout, it's a smooth ride.
Yeah.
That was fun. We rode that one, a lot of fun as you saw, and now walking over to, I think we are gonna do the rat.
Yes.
If we have to make a...
I really want to see what that is.
Yeah, because we might have, I think we can ride everything, but in case we need to prioritize something, it has to be that one over Donderstenen.
Yes.
So yeah, let's see. Sarah thought we were gonna go over here to this one. No, baby, this is just no, it says Singang, so I would say it's for the river rapids here. Yeah, it is definitely. Yes, we are not doing that one.
Nope.
Sasa can do that one if she wants to. It doesn't look crazy wet though. Oh, there's the new wild swing from Art Engineering. We might not have time for that. I don't think we do. There's Donderstenen and I can see it. Let's find the rat. Rioolrat. Yeah, this one's also pretty, as you say, refreshed with theming and that. Yeah. Just walked into this queue. Wow. This is awesome. I mean, this is brilliant. Here we go, Rioolrat, Vekoma. Now this is going to be fun. We're a rat running in the sewers. Of course, the exit to this ride is through a sewage pipe. Love it. Great concept. Pretty things in these parks, we have to say. That's another type of monorail here you saw. So this is the one we're doing now, Discovery Club. And if I got it correct, the ride is actually underground here, under us. So let's see where we enter this ride. I would say here.
Yeah.
Love the house, it looks amazing, right? No? Ah, that was the elevator. Going down the Discovery Club. Let's see what this is.
Pakt u het pistool rechts naast uw stoel. Hiermee schiet u tijdens de rit alle rode en oranje lampen.
Now this is very cool because you sit around the ride itself, the ride vehicle. Super cool. Okay, so this is a shooting dark ride. hope you guys can see this. The only thing that I'm missing is that I'm missing a counter. I would like to see my points. So that was Discovery Club.
It was so fun.
I don't get the name and the theme of the sign for the ride because of the theming inside and the mansion, but that was amazing.
It was so fun.
It was, I don't know, you know, this huge, expensive dark rides that we have to do, which I understand, they're amazing, we love them, but we have ridden many dark rides that are like, meh. This was just fantastic.
It was amazing.
They built a building, they put in the track, and then they made the theming simple but yet perfect. And like you hear when you hit, the only thing I'm missing was like my points during the ride. That's the only thing. If not,
but it was very nice to see the points afterward, because it was.
I'm leaving now.
Yeah.
Don't listen to her. This is what we do too.
Yeah.
We are walking around this park, just enjoying it because we are done. We did the rides, and now we are at the new ride.
Yes.
The Art Engineering Wild Swing. I think we should ride that. Look at that. It's an on ride. It's a walk on ride.
Of course.
Let's do it. Yeah. Let's ride this one. This is a small one. The one they're building at this ride, Stormwalk, is the XL version. But this, I think, is a great ride. Okay, let's see. First time on a wild swing. These are like mushrooms. They're popping up everywhere in all parks because they are amazing. Wow! Yes! Oh, that is amazing! Wow! No way! No way! No! I am so happy we did this. Oh my goodness! This is a great ride.
Great.
Fantastic little ride.
It's like Snake.
It is not like Snake, but I hear you. Wow. What a great program it is. Wow. No, I am blown away. This has a re-rideability.
Yeah, of course.
That is insane.
I can sit here all day.
Yes, because it's perfectly tickling, perfectly scary. It's like if you take for example, the nebulas, the tempus at Liseberg. That one tickles when it goes over, but it's just a little bit. This tickles basically from start to finish. So we just did a wild swing. People are running over and over and over to ride this, and it's quite effective because I mean you have 8 seats, it's 16 even in the small version, and it's perfectly sized for, like, it's a kiddie attraction, and at the same time it's not. There's a lot of grown-ups riding this with their kids, and you can see them that they really enjoy this. That's fantastic. Love it. I also love the theming that they did to the whole area. It's great. Wow. Congratulations to Art Engineering and Avonturenpark here. We're walking towards the exit of Avonturen Hellendoorn. I am mostly impressed with the wild swing.
Yes.
First time ever ridden that. That was amazing.
And the rats.
And the rat was fun. It was really fun. Anyways, we were thinking that we should take a look in the shop before exiting to see if they have anything fun. Oh, they have a lot of sour things. Look at that. Dr. Sour, everything is sour. Cool. Oh, really?
Do you want it?
No, that is way too big.
Yeah.
I cannot tell to Jonna. Oh, look. I wonder how much they are, if you can buy them. Look. We have to ask. Okay, after nerding out a little bit, they also have some seat pads and things. The thing is, they also have this. I guess this is an old, yeah, they also sell that. But yeah, you saw that. Here's the padding spring up there. So after doing that, we stopped nerding and she found
Look at this.
a little dino eggs. That is very cute.
Very cute.
Little, not dino eggs, dragon eggs. Okay. If you're freezing. Yes, for you?
Nice.
No.
Enzo.
For Enzo, yes, of course. I kind of like this though. That's kind of nice, right?
It's nice.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, so that was the shop. Let's do an ending to this video on the outside. Guys, that was Avonturenpark Hellendoorn. That was a lot of fun.
And I'm impressed about the park because I didn't like expect anything.
No.
So it was a really nice park.
Yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun. And the wild swing was amazing. The way they took care of the coasters. And it looks like, it sounds like they're really trying to do things because they added a new train for the Vekoma ride in 2025. They opened a new coaster, relocated absolutely, but in 2024. They opened a wild swing now in 2026. So things are happening.
Yes.
I think that's amazing. Super fun, great park. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and all of those things. And
help us on our trip to 4,000
yes,
subscribers.
Exactly that.
Please.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.